everybody, and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today we're down at the allotment again. It's 0.3 C at the moment, so that's cold. And as you can see, I'm in my polytunnel, and as you can see, my plants are starting to go. These are my Scotch bonnets, what I'm trying to overwinter, so I don't know if that's gonna work. So what I need to do is get all these little peppers, they're still usable, off. So just the ones what look that you can use them, then I'll just get these off. All the leaves will start to fall off now. If I just shake this, I can see everything just come in. So just getting these Scotch bonnets off. These are really hot. So this time of the year now, I wanted to get everything almost completed, but the strimmer let me down, and I got it back yesterday, and I'm still not happy with it again, because they didn't the part what I was hoping that they would fix is the knob what joins the two together. They haven't fixed that, so we just have to see if I can get a couple of dry days and then trim that grass. I don't know if we will get a couple of days. So that's all, mostly the Scotch bonnets off. These ones now, you can just trim them off. I don't think they'll come. So I'm just trying to overwinter the plants. Someone said to me, just leave them where they are. I don't know, because if it snows and everything, it's going to keep onto the roof and everything. But we'll see how it goes. So over this side, I've got still got some little chilies what I can take off. So I gave these away, so I don't know if they're hot peppers, cool peppers. I know they're jalapenos, so I don't know if they were hot or anything, but you just have to do what you can before. If I can get them off, then I can, still give them away. And then I've got these baskets of fire as well. Got 3 of those. You can see they've still got all the chilies on them, so gonna get these off and be back with you. Please remember, like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment, you can leave a comment in the comment section. We will get back to you on them. I'm just going to carry on doing this, getting all these ones off, what I can see. These are, although they're small, they're still usable. You just got to check them. Some of them might be perishing a bit, but these baskets of fires, we're going to get on with those and see how many we can get off. So I'll be back with you in a minute. Right, everybody, so we're still at it. They're so So many on here. A lot of the green ones what you can't see. The red and white ones you can see. But we're just taking our time and getting them off. This is how much I've got already. Big bag of them. Found some jalapenos as well, some Scotch bonnets in there. But it's a big bag, almost full, with the chilies. As you can see there's still a lot more on them. I've turned around the plants to get the ones on the other side. This one is still flowering. You can see that it's still flowering, so it'll come back again. You see the little buds of the flower. This one's starting to they're all starting to flower again, and it's in this temperature you would have thought that they would have started shedding leaves, but the Scotch bonnets I think come from a hotter climate. I don't know what climate temperature these ones are, but you can see that they're starting to flower again. So I'm just trying to get off as many as I can see, just to give them a chance to come back again. All some up in the middle, everywhere you look you see them. So I'm gonna carry on and I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so we've got off as much as we can get off for now. There's still a few green ones and red ones in between, but I don't want to break the plants. I want to see if I can get them to go over winter. Might have to prune them up, and you can see how much they're still flowering and budding and everything. I don't know when my ginger and that's going to be ready. I have to look that up. And I've got my turmeric there. The leaves are starting to yellow up a bit, so I don't know if that needs any feed or anything, because I haven't fed those and the ginger. I've still got my spring onions. My cameraman come up. I've still got spring onions in here. Let me see if I can get a few to take home. Actually, I've got the red ones. I've got these red ones, and I've got the white ones, which is these ones. So I've got two varieties here, and they died down, and I thought that was it, and then all of a sudden I came and they were starting to grow back again. You can see that should do us. So you can see I've still got loads, but the only way I can give away some of these is if they come and get them. But I think that should be more than enough, just for mostly Sunday, and then if we do cooking in the week. So I've got some peppers there as well. Where's my snips? I've got some of these heads of garlic, of broccolis. See, I've got some nice heads of broccoli there. Just going to take take these now, then what happens is they'll come up in other places. Just those two. Got a little one here. A little one here. So I'll take those few heads of there. Right outside. These ones haven't think. I've got a Romanesco here, because I don't know much about it, and it's the first one I've ever grown, so gonna cut that. That's what the Romanesco looks like. They get bigger than this, but you work with what you can get. So that's the first one of what come off of it. The Swiss chard, and I've got spinach what I can harvest next time. And let me put this in here first. So anytime I come, I see little Romanescos coming up now, and you can see this one's going to be like a big one if it was, and one there. So they're all. So what I know now, it's a thing that needs space, because the leaves get big and they need space to spread out. Right, carrots I'm looking at, if there's any what I can take out for Sunday. Nah. These are all like still small. So there isn't really nothing. I've got to tidy all this up. I'll let you come up. I've got to tidy this one up as well. You can see that the frost got to those ones. I've got a few Romanescos here, but they're not doing here. I've got a cabbage here, what I'm gonna, that's still solid, and I've got a little one, red one, a couple of red ones there, that I'll use those next time. Right, up here, look where I'm stepping there. You see my onions starting to come through, bit of frost on the ground, and my garlic starting to come through. So that's all good. So we know that those have caught on and got going. This bed here, I see a few onions starting to sprout through, but we know that those are going as well. I'll come up here and show you this bed up the top. This bed has got all garlic in here, and all down about half of the bed is elephant garlic all on this side. You can see they're starting to sprout through already. And then I've got something what keeps walking across here, because all these little dents what you see is footprints, so I think it's most probably a fox or something. And then I've got these giant whites, these ones here, and then I've got the smaller, is it purple rights or purple Cristo ones there. So that's what's going on. You can see now the main thing now is just to trim and tidy up. I've still got a bit along there to trim up. That won't take us long, I hope. And that's about it. That's my magnolia tree there. Got another couple of trees there. Can't remember what I planted there, but it's starting to bud again. I've got my roses, what I'll dead and get all the little buds off. And that's what's going on down here. So all it is now is just tidy mode. And once you're tidy, you know, you can relax a bit. But you still got to come and check things and get on with it. I know it's cold, but if you've got an allotment, that's one of the commitments what you have to make. You can't just leave things you've got to come and sort out, tidy up. The main thing, if the grass was trimmed on when it was meant to be trimmed, then everything would have been more or less tidied and finished, but that's how it goes. So I hope you enjoyed that one. Please remember to like, share, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment, you can leave a comment in the comment section. We will get back to you on them. The next video, some people's been asking about the polytunnels and that. And I know we've had a couple of storms, and I know a few people had their polytunnels damaged and everything. So that's what I'll be talking about in the next one, why I got a polycarbonate one and what are the results of it and everything like that coming forward. So you have a great weekend, and I'll see you on the next one. You take care until then.